everyone, Awesome Animal Jam here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you and reviewing Animal Jam's newest video, which is a sneak peek / update video since it shows everything that it has. So let's get right on into it. So I will display the video on screen so you know what I'm talking about. Okay, now that you've watched the video, OMG, I'm going to scream! This is so amazing. So as you can see, the fall scenery is coming, and that is amazing. And it also shows the den too, and that is also amazing. And it also does show the items and the pet items too, and this is so amazing. I just can't believe this. And then rhinos are coming back. That's also cool. I don't like the dino animal. And then the pack run, and in that pack run clip it shows the kangaroos, and the kangaroos look amazing. And then it shows the super sale, which have the corgis, the capybara, and the mangrove, or then that mangrove den, or whatever it's called. And then the squirrel party's still on. And then that's it. And this is amazing. I cannot wait for this. This is amazing. Absolutely amazing. Kangaroos have been wanted forever. Really, I never wanted them, but they are so cool and just adorable. So I cannot wait for this update. I'm pretty sure the update is coming out tomorrow, so stay tuned for the update. Bye!